Hello everyone! So, this is Edmond, Mindaros Channel at sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at i-guide ko kayo on how to withdraw TikTok affiliate earnings and send to RCBC savings account. Kung hindi mo kabisado kung paano ba mag-withdraw ang iyong earnings commissions and isi-send mo lang sa iyong savings account, then stay tuned ka lang at start na natin. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang mag-login or i-open mo lang dito ang iyong TikTok app, i-click mo lang. Dito lang sa ating TikTok profile homepage and kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Studio. At dito lang sa ating TikTok Studio and then under lang dito sa monetizations, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung TikTok Shop for Creators. I-click mo lang dito yung View Details. At dito lang sa ating TikTok Shop Creators and kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then under lang dito sa TikTok Shop Toolkit, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung earnings. And madadaring kaagad tayo dito sa ating earnings. So bago tayo mag-proceed sa withdrawal, kailangan mo munang basahin yung mag-pop up na notifications dito lang sa taas. Your payouts may be delayed during the holiday from this date. Ongoing payments will be processed within 3 business days after the end of holiday. Ayan. Then next, makikita mo naman dito yung ating available balance. So dito naman sa kanyang withdrawal, para ma-select natin kung gusto mo ng auto or manual, dito lang sa kanyang right corner, makikita mo dito yung kanyang settings, i-click mo lang. So withdrawal settings, nandito naman yung dalawang options. Kung gusto mo itong manual withdrawal or auto withdrawal, dito lang sa right corner, pili ka lang dito kung ano yung prepared mo na withdrawal settings. Kapag nakaselect ka na, and then back lang tayo, then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung withdraw. Alright, so dito na tayo sa withdraw money and withdrawal account. So since isi-send natin ito sa ating RCBC savings account, so dito lang sa right corner, itap mo lang dito yung add. And then another step, dito na tayo sa add payout method. So choose payout method. So nandito naman yung ating bank transfer and then yung GCash. So since sa ating savings account, so dito lang sa bank transfer, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan dito lang sa right corner. Ayan, so link bank transfer. So entering incorrect information will result in declined transactions and you will be responsible for any cost associated with processing your request. So kailangan tama lahat yung permissions na ilalagay natin dito. Alright, so the first step, so first name, so i-click mo lang yan, enter lang natin yung ating RCBC details dito and fill out lang natin. And then once nilagay mo na dito yung first name and then next, dito na tayo sa last name, fill out ulit natin. And then kapag nilagay mo na yung last name, dito na tayo sa bank name. And then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then kailangan lang natin i-search dito or hanapin lang natin dito yung ating RCBC. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. Ayan, so i-select mo lang dito yung RCBC. Once na-select mo na yung bank name and then bank account number, so kailangan lang natin enter dito yung ating 16 digits ng ating RCBC savings account. So sa akin kasi, ini-include ko yung 6 na 0 and then fill out lang natin. At once nilagay mo na dito yung 16 digits mo na RCBC savings account, i-double check mo lang kung tama. Then dito na tayo sa ating email and then fill out ulit natin. So dito naman sa paglagay ng ating email address, kung ano yung email address na gamit mo sa iyong savings account or yung RCBC mo, ilalagay mo din dito. So bank account numbers and then itong ating email address. Ayan. So once na fill out mo na lahat, i-double check mo lang yung first name, last name, bank name, yung bank account number and then email address. Dito naman sa set as primary account, nasa option mo naman yan kung gusto mo itong nasa primary or hindi. I-toggle on off mo lang dito yung kanyang buttons. So i-click mo lang dito yung kanyang button kung gusto mo itong lock-enable or hindi, pwedeng-pwede po yan. Kapag okay na, and then double check mo lang and itap mo lang dito yung submit. And madadarik ulit tayo dito sa withdraw money. And then sa withdrawal account, i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then, so since na link na natin dito yung ating RCBC savings account, so dito naman sa choose payout method, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung bank transfer. Ayan, so naselect na natin dito yung ating RCBC savings accounts. So minimum withdrawal amount, so 10 pesos. So maximum withdrawal amount, so 25 million naman yung nakalagay dito, yung kanyang maximum. Funds should be arrived in 6 business day mga kaibigan. So may process po yan. So since naselect na natin dito yung ating RCBC, then dito na tayo sa amount, i-click mo lang and then enter lang natin dito kung magkano yung amount na ita-transfer mo. Okay, so makita mo naman dito yung estimated receiving amount. Ito yung amount na marireceive natin. Ang kanyang service PI, 3 pesos 0.80 mga kaibigan. Okay, so ito yung babayaran natin na transaction fee or yung service fee. Kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung withdraw now. And another step, dito na tayo sa confirm withdrawal. So transfer to bank transfer, so withdrawal amount, service fee, yung receiving amount, and then entering incorrect informations will result in declined transactions and you will be responsible for any cost associated with processing your request. So kapag okay na, itap mo lang dito yung confirm to withdraw. Ayan, so withdrawal in progress. Funds should arrive in 6 business day. Ayan, so all details nandito naman. So dito kailangan lang natin hintayin within 6 business day, nakalagay naman dito para ma-process yung withdrawal natin. And then pwede na tayong mag-back dito. And naka-receive kagad tayo dito ng text message ni RCBC mga kaibigan. So wala pang 6 business day, talaga napakabilis lang. Ayan, so kailangan lang natin mag-back and then open lang natin dito yung ating message. Ayan, so makikita mo dito na nandito na yung withdraw natin na ating TikTok affiliate earnings. So pumasok na talaga sa ating RCBC savings account an inward remittance amounting this amount from account number ending this. Ayan, so galing lang sa ating TikTok affiliate earnings mga kaibigan. So napakabilis lang talaga, wala pa talagang 6 business day. Ayan, basta tama lahat yung i-enter natin dito na details and then sure naman yan na agad-agad marireceive ka agad natin yung ating withdrawal. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano tayo mag-withdraw ng ating earnings and then isa-send lang sa ating savings account. And hope na nakapagbigay ako ng konting kalaman at guide tungkol sa TikTok app tutorials. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorials.